Okay, this is my kitchen. I managed to get it done. All voice activated, including lights, not fire extractor, but extractor hood, the funnel, some people call it. The funnel itself is actually voice activated with a smart switch and a fuse box. And here's my light switch. It's a 3-gang light switch. Right, with the voice commands by Alexa. Hello Alexa. Hello Alexa. Yeah. Be quiet today. Hello Alexa. Hi.
Howdy.
Right. Alexa, main light on.
Okay.
Okay, that's main light. 2 main lights on the top. Panning round to my other light. Alexa, small light on.
Okay.
Okay. Next to my ubiquity camera. Right. Thirdly is my fan extractor. Alexa, kitchen fan on.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named kitchen fan.
Okay, Alexa, fan on.
Okay.
Okay, Alexa, 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 fan off.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, resume song. Okay, now I think this is going to be the end of my small brief tutorial, but I'm definitely happy with the smart switches in the home. Definitely well worth investment in smart switches. Alexa, kitchen light off.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen fan on.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named kitchen fan.
Alexa, kitchen light on.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, fan off.
Okay.
Alexa, resume song. Alexa, kitchen light off.
Okay.
Alexa, Alexa, stop song. Right, thanks a lot, lads. Come back to my channel, and I'll see you soon.